Bengala.
I'm Natalia, and we're National Geographic Kids Junior reporters.
Whoa! OMG, this is amazing.
You can speak.
It can, and it's like the king of land.
T-Rex's teeth are the size of a banana.
I can't believe this is the real size of a T-Rex tooth. It's almost the full size of my arm. Scientists believe that a T-Rex could eat up to 230 kilograms in a single bite. That's almost the weight of 4 washing machines. Wow, my God, that's amazing.
A T-Rex's tail helped it balance and run at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour.
What? That fast?
That's faster than me.
Wow! Don't be fooled by the T-Rex's tiny arms. They were still a meter long and helped them grip onto prey.
I thought they were more like this.
Yeah, like this. Like this. Look at it.
Fighting challenge.
The amazing T-Rex is chomping down its opponent. This is the T-Rex special move. First, it has to open its mouth and grab a part of its opponent, and then it's called the trash throw. Introducing the Indoraptor. Let the battle commence.
These new Jurassic World toys are amazing. Bengala, do your best T-Rex impression.